July 27th, 2013, crowds gathered to watch as a seal was being returned to the sea. Snuffy the seal had washed up on shore just 2 weeks prior, injured and dehydrated. Just as this magnificent beast was being returned to its natural habitat, a shark leapt from the waters, grabbing Snuffy into its jaws and dragging it down to its perilous death. Snuffy's tragic plight, as published by Fox News in San Diego in February 2003, may seem like a random coincidence, but is actually a perfect exemplification of decreasing aquatic populations worldwide. According to the Journal of Applied Ecology in February 2001, seal populations are at the lowest point in recorded history. Seals are a vital part of our aquatic ecosystem, and they're all but dying out. Today, I'm going to take you on a journey of enlightenment to the world of seal conservation. I'm going to enlighten you on the serious man-made problem that is decreasing seal populations and convince you to take a stand. First, I'm going to discuss the scope of the problem, then clarify the causes, and finally explore some ways we can fix this problem. First, I'm going to discuss the scope of the problem. So, why are aquatic mammals my focus? According to the Journal of Applied Ecology in February 2011, seal populations, which are a vital part of our aquatic ecosystem, are decreasing quite rapidly, more rapidly than we thought. 74% of aquatic species are actually a threatened species, with 97% of these species showing decreasing population trends. Over 76 species have gone extinct in the last 500 years, with 29 more on the brink of extinction. An article from Aquatic Mammals in September 2011 introduced the world to the endangered species of the Hawaiian monk seal. For those of you who don't know, a Hawaiian monk seal is a seal that meditates at day and then surfs at night. According to this study, less than 1 in 5 Hawaiian monk seals currently live to the reproductive age of 1 year old. This has led to an unsustainable population dynamic with an inverted age-skewed pyramid. Currently, according to this study, the aquatic mammals in the Hawaiian monk seal population continues to decrease at a rate of 4% per year, a number that will likely accelerate. Before long, there won't be any Hawaiian monk seals left to save. Now that I've discussed the scope of the problem, let's clarify the causes. There are 3 main causes to why seal populations are currently declining. The first way, as published by Aquatic Mammals in September 2011, is habitat loss. The continued melting of our polar ice caps have left seals just like Snuffy, stranded on floating chunks of ice, living off meager rations of fish, awaiting their inevitable death. Their homes are slowly shrinking out from under their flippers. The second way is prey limitation. Simply put, our overfishing of larger aquatic mammals has led to insufficient prey availability. We force larger mammals to prey on juvenile seal species, essentially disrupting the food chain. This is how we lost our beloved friend, no, our family, Snuffy the seal. The third way is the illegal fishing of rare aquatic mammals, also known as poaching. But seals aren't the only victims of this. As the Congressional Digest published in June 2013, each year as many as 100 million sharks fall victim to finning, a brutal practice in where fishermen catch the fish, cut off the fins, and throw the mutilated animal back into the sea to die. This is all done in order to make shark fin soup. That's right, we're maiming and murdering thousands of sharks every year in order to make soup. And you may think that this is only a foreign affair, but in the United States alone, 41 states still allow the importation of shark fin soup. Currently, 1/3 of shark species globally are threatened by extinction, largely because of finning. Now that I've discussed the scope of the problem, or clarified the causes, let's explore some ways we can help fix this problem. There are 3 main solutions for helping increase seal populations worldwide. On the government level, as the Congressional Digest published in June 2003, we need to increase government pilot projects that research the rehabilitation and release of seal species. A current captive care program with the Hawaiian monk seal has shown tremendous results, with more to come. On the systemic level, more restrictive limits need to be set on fishermen in regards with organizations that study the release and prey limitation of decreasing seal populations. The last way is simple. As the Earth Island Journal stated in its June 2006 magazine article, 2 nations, 1 seal. In order to save our last remaining population of seals, we must work together. As individuals, we need to inform the public about the truths of poaching, the atrocities of shark fin soup, and the tragedies of dwindling seal populations. But more than that, we need to act. Right now, you can go to marineconservation.org and sign petitions banning shark fin imports, Japanese whaling, and the fight for seal conservation. Or call 1-800-SAVE-SNUFFY. As you can see, we've explored why seal conservation is a current and ever-present problem. First, I discussed the scope of the problem, then clarified the causes, and finally explore some solutions to help increase seal populations worldwide. A man-made problem deserves a man-made solution. Together, we can save an aquatic species from disappearing off the face of the earth entirely. Together, we can save Snuffy.